Hi, my name is Emilio Diaz of 7A, and today we are going to do an activity of multiplying polynomials. The first step is to do a distributive property with all the numbers here. So first you multiply this with this, this with this, and this number with this number. Then you multiply these four with all the numbers, like this. So what you have to do when multiplying polynomials is to multiply this by this, like this. So add the exponents of the variable. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So add that. So 7 times 2 is equal to 14. 14. And this plus this is 3. So are the same variable and this added. 3. So the next one, minus. So here we put a minus. 6 times r times r times 2. So 6 times 2 it's equal to 12. And this plus this, 1 plus 1 is r 2. And like this to all of the multiplications. So after doing the multiplications, you do like terms with your answer. So this must be your answer. And then you do like terms with their exponents. So this is leave it like that because no more of these answers has the exponent of 3. So we leave it like that, and it's 14 r 3. This 12 has an exponent of 2, and this 28 has also an exponent of 2. So we subtract it. Minus 12 minus 28 are 2. And it's the answer with R2 because are the same. And you do that with all of the other situations. And finally, the answer of multiplying those things and doing like terms here, the answer is this one. 14 r minus 40r2 plus 12r plus 24. So let's go to the next question or problem. This is the other multiplication. So at first we have to do distributive property. So this times this, this times this, and this times this. And then do distributive property with the 4. This times this times this, and this times this. So we multiply all. So n2 times 2n is equal to 2n3. 2n cubic. The next, 6n times 2n is equal to 12 because 6 times 2 is 12 and 2 n's 2. After doing this, all the multiplications you have to do like terms. So, for example, this is exponent 2 and this exponent 2. So you add them, subtract them depending of the case. So in this case you have to subtract 12 minus 4, and the answer is 8. Finally, this is the answer. 2n plus 8n 2 minus 32n plus 16 is my final answer. So let's go to another exercise. This is our problem 3. It has fractions and variables with big numbers. So what we have to do is simple, the same. You have to multiply this times this times this times this and times this. And this one times this one times this one times this one and times this one. And what you get is, first you have to multiply this with this. So u3 times minus 3 to 2 u5, it's equal to minus 3 to u8. It's the same. You have to add these two and multiply the variable with this and with the other variable, so you can get the answer. When you do all the like terms with the exponents 8, 8, 7, 7 and no more, you put it again and the answer must be this: 5 out of 4 u9 minus 2 out of 3 u8 minus 4 u7 minus 6 u6 minus 15 u4 plus 18 u3. That is the final answer. Thank you.